Hello. I think it is time for me to let go of a few friends. There are some of my old friends, and I think the time has come to defriend them, and it makes me very sad. Some people have said that they were getting in the way of seeing the real me, and that these friends were keeping me from showing everybody who I really am. In the interest of honesty, I have decided to let go some of these friends. Actually, there are many of them. I think the time has come for me to face the facts. Face the facts and face the future as honestly as I can. Don't you think? So even though I will miss those friends, I know that one day they'll be back.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, for showing me what the world means and what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, for showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. There's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can't stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
Oh, Joy. So, tuloy na ba talaga to? Hindi ka na mapipigil. Anyway, so, new environment yon, new adjustment for sure. Basta, wag mo lang kakalimutan na magdasal parati. Matagal na di makakapagsimba, diba? So, basta mag-pray ka lang everyday. At sana, wish ko na sana magawa mo pa rin doon na maayos yung mission mo as a doctor. And yun, so sa Skype na lang tayo magkikita-kita muna. Mamimiss ka namin during our bonding moment. Pag nagmamadyong kami, so manood ka na lang. Pag mag-out of town kami, sama ka na lang sa Skype. At siguro pagbalik mo, mapayat na kami. Kasi wala nang mga kainan masyado. So lang naman lagi may kumakain ay mahilig gumawa ng kainan. Joke lang. O basta yun, magpakabait ka dun. wala um, wala ka nang mautusan doon. Sariling gawa mo yun, sariling kilos mo. Basta gawin mo lang ng mabuti lahat. Gawin mo lang ng tama lahat ng bagay. Yun lang. At yun, huwag mo kalimutan magdasal everyday. Okay, so bon voyage. Pasensya na, hindi pinagmamadali ako kasi naiinip na sila at may mga susunod pa akong magre-record.
So, hi, Ajoy. Me too, we're surprised for this message. I don't know what to say, but I think I have to take this opportunity to thank you in behalf of my family for the times that we've shared, the laughters, the movie watches, the mahjong, the food trips, and I also want to say, teka, puro English, no? Tagalog na lang. I know this would be a big step to your career. Just stay focused on your dreams, on your goals. So always pray. Then always ano pa ba? Wala akong maisip eh. We love you and take care of yourself there. Okay, bye. Ingat.
Wow! Ajoy! Malapit na! Ay, mamimiss ka namin. Mamimiss namin yung ginagawa natin. Movie marathon, yung kain, sa labas, dito sa bahay. Ay, madadayat kami ng gusto niyan pag wala ka na. Yan, mamimiss ko yung pagtawag sa'yo, pag-text, pag may problema kay K1, K2. Alam mo na, lalo na kay K2. Medyo maraming pag kailangan. Sino na kaya hingin ko ng advice niyan? Ngayon, mag-ingat ka na lang lagi doon. Pray lang lagi. Yun. Basta lagi na lang online. Chat tayo. Doon na lang tayo update. Doon na lang din ako hihingi ng advice. Para kay K1 and K2. Basta lagi ka na lang mag-update sa amin through net. Yan, chat tayo. Usap. Para hindi masyadong mamiss ang isa't isa. Yan, sabi nga ni Francie, dapat pag-uwi mo, pagbalik mo dito sa Pinas, sexy ka na. Siguro naman kasi walang miss doon. Yan, diet ka na lang muna doon. Yan, love you!
Hi, Mami Joy! Ingat ka doon, ha? At mamimiss ka namin. Ano nga ba yung tawag sa magpapadala dito? Package ba yun? At sana pumayat ka na pagdating mo dito. Sorry, Mami Joy, hindi kami makakapunta sa despedida mo. I love you! At mahal na mahal ka namin. Huwag mo kakalimutan, ha? Yung package.
Bye-bye. Tapos flight.
You make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Even when you're gone, somehow you come along just like a flower poking through the sidewalk crack. And just like that, you steal away the rain. And just like that, you make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on the sun.
Hi, Mami Joy! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Churka. Bye-bye.
Enjoy.
Hi, Mami Joy!
Ingat.
Ingat
Love you.
ka
Bye-bye.
Bakit? Sorry! Payat na kami. Kasi wala na kainan.
Bye-bye, love.
Hello, Mami Joy! Bye-bye ka, Churka. Bye-bye! Mami Joy!
Bye-bye, ah. Okay nga.
Mamimiss ka na! Ikaw si ate. Ate, ano sabihin mo? Ate, may nasabihin ka kanina, sabihin mo na daw.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Ingat ka doon! Bye! Sa cellphone ni ate. Bye!